I fucking did it. Wow, this camera quality is so crap. Why is everything so bright? Why is my face so bright? So I still have my Minecraft account since I was like 2 years old, and I thought like, hey, it might have been fun to play Minecraft again. I don't know, it could be fun. You don't ever know. There was an uprising of freaking Minecraft players for some reason. I don't know why they want to come back to this stupid game, but I decided to play it, and I went through a lot of pain for it. Fucking W tapping.
This game's terrible. Why am I playing this game?
S tapping.
Fuck. Fuck.
E tapping. All the alphabetical tappings. I didn't even know Minecraft could get this complicated. My click speed went from like 5 to like 16. I'm gonna get freaking arthritis in my hand. And guess what? I still managed to PvP on a very small desk. I still beat those noobs. I still beat the Minecraft players.
You can't fight what you can't kill.
Freaking, oh my god. Minecraft is terrible. God, this video quality is probably really terrible from all the way over here. But the point is, I have no idea why I wanted to make a Minecraft plugin to integrate with Discord. It just makes no sense. I can code in Java, so shut the... Now I'm on this side of the room where the lighting and everything else is better. The quality is better now, I hope so. So every time someone dies in Minecraft...
I'm just gonna be crafting some tools, and I'm just gonna freaking, I don't know, how do
I want them to get made fun of so hard that they don't play Minecraft ever again. It's gonna be publicized in the Discord server, and everyone's gonna know. Everyone in that Discord server is gonna be just gonna see that and just never respect them ever again. So now you're probably asking, how am I gonna get put plugins in a Minecraft server? Well, there's this guy called I forgot his name, but he made a library called Spigot, and it's made by that amazing guy. An important thing you need to know, Spigot has a lot of events. Like so many events, some are overly specific, like player bucket entity event, like called when a player empties a bucket, or player bucket event called when a player interacts with a bucket. How do you even interact? Like, what is this player bucket fill event? Why is there 3 bucket events? So I can use these events and be like, hey Discord, someone died, go make fun of this guy. And I want to do the same thing for diamonds. So the player that has the most diamonds, because that's the goal in Minecraft, right? You collect as many diamonds as you can. It's gonna list out the leaderboard of who collected most diamonds and call out the person with the most diamonds an X-ray user. And thus, nobody trusts his legit skill in getting diamonds. Because who would want to trust, like, a person? Like, they trust a Discord bot better than a person, right? Now you're probably thinking, oh, Jason, how are you going to send it to Discord? Well, there's a reason why I'm doing pull-ups. A lot of goddamn hard work.
Maven? What is a Maven? What the heck is Maven? What is this pom.xml? It's not working. I literally copied everything you did and it still doesn't work. I joined the JDA Discord server and I'm not going to ask a question. I'm not a noob. I'm actually going to just control find Spigot.
So now I know how to write a terrible solution to send messages from Minecraft to Discord.
So now it should work if I type in /discord general and I say hi, and oh, look at that, oh my god. And if I say hi back, and if I go here, oh my god, look at that, it works. I am smart. And if I collect some diamonds, I already collected some diamonds, so there should be a lot. So, diamonds. Oh my god. Okay, what about death? Oh no, it's death. I'm not bad at Minecraft. Hey. And I'll try to kill myself. Oh wait, I hear a spider. Come here. Kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Do it. Do it. Do it.
So now you know everything works, and you can tell this is a different day because you got a haircut and this is a different day. So I need to make a conclusion video, and to conclude everything, because everything works, is just don't give up. Because even if there's like a lot of complication and there's a lot of like struggles and a lot of pain going through it, just never give up because you can do it.
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するの